Do you want to show or hide menus to logged in users or logged out users, or even users with specific roles on your websites? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do that with a free WordPress plugin. So the first thing we need to do is to log in into our admin dashboard. And while we are here, what we need to do is to come down to plugins and select add new. So we're going to search for a plugin called user menus. So this is the plugin we need, and it has over 90,000 active installation. So we need to install this plugin now and also activate it. So if we should visit our website in a new tab, we're going to see we have 4 menus here, and then all these menus are visible to every user on our website, both the logged in users and then the logged out users. And on a normal day, you will want this login and register link to be visible to only logged out users, while this dashboard and logout link should be visible to logged in users only. So we're going to fix that with this plugin right now. So let's go back to our dashboard, and then let's move to appearance and then select menus. So here, this is where we're going to set everything. If we should click this drop down arrow, we're going to see an extra box here which says who can see this link. This option was added due to the plugin we just installed. Now for the dashboard, who do we want to see this link? We're going to say logged in users. Now if you should select logged in users, you can also specify the roles that you want to see this link. If you want all the roles on your website to see this link, you don't need to bother selecting any of the roles here, just leave it as it is. But if you want only administrator to be able to see this dashboard link, you can just select administrator. Or if you want only an editor to see the link, you can just select an editor. And if you want to just remove a role that won't see the link, maybe an author only, you can just select choose which rows won't see this link and then select author. But for the sake of this tutorial, all the rows on our website should be able to see this dashboard link. And there's also a customization mode you can add to it. If you select this arrow here, you can add short codes to it, and for this sake we're going to just say username. Now you can now customize it, and let's change this dashboard to something like welcome comma username. So when we save this menu now and we go back to our front end and we refresh it, so it's going to say welcome flash gist, which is the username for this website. So it's going to make it look more customized for your users, and then it's going to welcome them to their dashboard. Now moving on to the next on the list, we have login. I want this to be visible to only logged out users, and then register should be visible to only logged out users also. Okay, for this logout button, you can come down to the user links here, and then you'll be able to add a login, register and logout button, logout link for your website. So I'm just going to add this here, and I'm going to remove this one. So on the default mode, only logged in users will be able to see the logout link. So you can't change this. This has been made at the default mode by the developers of this plugin. So we just need to save menu. Alright, so we are logged in now as an administrator on these websites, and by the time we refresh, we can't see the login and register button, register link anymore. We can just see the dashboard link and then the logout link. Now if you should check our websites in an incognito mode, I'm just going to refresh this. We can now see the login and the register link. So by the time we log in and we log in into our accounts on these websites, we'll be able to see this dashboard and the logout link. So this is how you can just set the visibility rules for different users on your websites. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, make sure to click the like button, and also don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.